Now we're in the tunnel thing that I built, and everything seems to be doing okay. See the peas, here's a question for you. Can I actually put the peas outside now, as in where they're going to grow? Because they're getting kind of big and flopping over. That's my strawberries. There's some spring onions there. The onions in the pots I think I'll need to redo, so that's one thing for the propagator. Lettuce, that's kale, cabbages, turnips. But there's one thing that I've made a mistake, and I've either mislabelled or miscounted, because I have got roughly 60 cabbages, and I don't know why. I've got some greyhound cabbage and I've got some of the hard cabbage, and I don't know how I managed to get 60. So I'll be giving some of them away as well. But everything in here seems to be doing okay. There was some that I had in the house that weren't doing too okay, that I've actually started to kind of pick up again. So since I brought them outside, that's a broccoli. Well, that's about it really. And what about the sweet peas? Can I get them outside now? So 60 cabbages. So whatever you think I can do with them, I'll probably just stick them on Facebook, give them away free of charge kind of thing. There's nothing in the tomato grow house at the moment. That's some bark that we're going to put down there, and I need to sieve some of that compost for my seedlings today. So I'm thinking in the propagator tray that the wife got me, I'm thinking some more onions, maybe some spring onions, some lettuce and some beetroot. Transplant these, some thyme, oregano into these for myself, and then put some into the other trays for other people. And then put all these, apart from maybe the sunflowers, out in the tunnel, because I've been taking them out a wee bit longer every day, getting them ready to the outside. Plus this fan has been blowing. I think it's time they went outside. Give me some more room. So that's the plan for today. Thanks for watching. Please stay safe. I know we're nearly getting kind of out of it. I get my Jag on Sunday, my first one, so things are looking up. But please stay safe, and I'll see you all soon. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, how we doing? What I'm going to try and do today is take some of this thyme out of here, put it in here. I kinda think I made a mistake showing this. I think I should have sewed it in an actual tub, a seed tray rather than a cup. But let's see if we can get it out. Okay. Yeah, it's coming apart quite easily actually. These are herbs I use all the time for cooking, so basically what I'm going to try and do is get some for me into these wee pots, just like that, and the rest will go into, I'll have 4 wee pots, and the rest will go into seed modules for other people. If you watched most of my video or the video earlier, you'll know that I've got a surplus of cabbage, so these things will be getting given away to, I don't know, whoever. Maybe people, maybe some of my neighbours want to try and grow stuff, I don't know. So the plan is to give them away, and some of these as well. Okay, I'll get on with this and I'll get back to you when I'm doing something else.